Good morning, 6:24 a.m. and I am hiking up to put out a few more temperature loggers. Today we're not doing any counts because Alex and David are doing other things, other work for other people, so we figured we'd postpone our counts for round 3. We finally finished round 2, which is such a relief. It dragged on forever. We finished on Friday and then, finished on Thursday and took Friday off to proof our data. So I got to kind of have the day off yesterday. I was going to make a video on Thursday, but I was not in the mood. It was a bad day. I ended up crossing 3 transects. So I had 2 points, and then I had to cross over 3 transects to do my last 2 points. And I had more points than everyone else, so I was not very happy. But it turned out fine. We finally finished. I'm excited. And so we're supposed to get tomorrow off, and then it's supposed to rain. Hopefully not on Monday, but we'll see. If everything goes well, we'll start round 3 on Monday and try to finish the valley. There's a blackpoll warbler right above me. So this place is kind of neat. It is a little spruce grove, a ton of little spruce saplings. The bottom of the forest floor is covered in sphagnum moss, so everything's really spongy, kind of nice to walk on. This really isn't that high elevation, but it's more reminiscent of what you find on top of the mountains. And the bird community is also very similar. Yeah, it's really nice to walk in. It's not a whole lot of underbrush besides the spruce. So, if only all transects are like this, it'd be nice. It's also a great place to find deer and moose. Not necessarily browsing, but they like high elevation type stuff like this. So, if I see a moose, I won't be surprised. So I just realized that this is one of my favorite transects from last year. It's probably, in my opinion, the most, well, the prettiest, and it has some really interesting ecosystems. So here's sort of a, not really sure exactly what you call this, but a marsh, wetland. But there's sphagnum moss, there's ferns, there are a ton of little spruce pockets, and it's really not that hard to walk on. And whoever flagged this did a fabulous job, so I'm very thankful. Yeah, there's some interesting birds here too. Almost the entire transect is boreal birds. So you have dark-eyed juncos, myrtle warblers, magnolia warblers, golden crown kinglets, nuthatches, all kinds of stuff. And there's one point that is almost completely covered with sphagnum moss, so you can just sit down in the moss and relax while you're counting. So it's good. Glad I chose this transect to put the loggers out on.